Mamlambo goes to the length to hide the baby from abazalwane. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 4th to the 8th of October 2021 on Monday. A brave Nosipho decides to fight back but is met with an unsuspecting fairy that leaves her paralyzed in pain. Sibonelo takes matters into his own hand by going to a heist alone. Nyawo finds it hard to maintain his girlfriend's need on Tuesday. The diamond heist is set into motion. Mamlambo goes to length to hide the baby from abazalwane. Nosipho loses the facade when she finally breaks down in front of Njeza on Wednesday. The diamond heist is on whether Sibonelo's team is ready or not. Mamlambo seeks advice on the baby saga and gets an unexpected response from the police. Nyawo has to take a drastic step to save his pocket on this day. Sibonelo and his crew left mess at the scene and Mondle find crucial evidence. Hlelo's demons start hunting her. Njeza and Nosipho bury their hatchets on Friday. Sibonelo catches the attention of the cops. Njeza plays knight in shining armor. Mamlambo welcomes a new member of the family. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.